2025 GMC Acadia. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.